Welcome to the SolidCAM University channel. This video's topic is adding tools to an existing tool library. So in this video, we're going to talk about how you might have some tool libraries on the global side, the local side, and you want to add a new tool to that larger library. So example of that is what I've done here. In this part file, the local library has all these tools that I programmed, but the new tool is tool 6. Tool 6 is actually one I just added to this part file. This overall global library that I imported from here actually has all the tools minus tool 6. I want to add tool 6 to that pre-existing library. So the way to do that is to basically exit out of the part, okay, and then go to Tools, SolidCAM, Tool Library, and we can edit the tool library. And then from this menu, select the library that I'd like to edit. In this case, I like to go to my turning tools, open that up. And then from there, we can see that I have this particular library has really just those two tools. So I'd like to add that tool 6 that I created in the part file. Well, in this global library, you have the same controls you would have with your local library, which means I can actually import from other libraries. Now, what I need to do here, though, is browse to that other library that I like to cherry pick from, or in this case, I'd like to browse to the CAM part file that has that tool I'm looking to add. So under library type, instead of TAB, which is the regular tool table format, I'm actually going to browse to CAM parts. And from there, I'll just browse to where that CAM part library is kept. In this case, I just put it on my desktop for the purpose of the videos. So I'm just going to click on that, and it should show me all the CAM parts that I have on my desktop. In this case, it's really just that one part file. And then from there, I'll just grab the tool that I'd like to import. You can import all the tools. You can import a few just by holding the control button and click on whichever ones you like. I'm really just looking at tool 6, but what you're doing here is taking all the tools from that CAM part file and importing them into your pre-existing global library. So in this case, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to choose tool 6, import selected. See it blink a little bit. It adds it to the global library. Let me exit out of there. So there's my tool 6. Save and close. And just to show you how that works, now when I reopen that part file, as if I were to go continue programming, or even on a brand new part, I can go to my tool table. And then when I go to import from that global library, you can see that tool 6 is now part of that overall global library. So anytime you've added a tool on the part side of things in the local library, it's only going to exist there unless you put it in a global library. So if you like, you can just add it to your libraries as you go along. Basically, every CAM part file exists as a library, or you could always export that as its own global library as well. But the purpose of this video is for that one instance where you've just added a new tool and now you want that to kind of be a grandfather tool. You want that to be added to that overall tool list. Any questions on that or anything else from SolidCAM, just give us a call at 1-866-975-1115, extension 2. You can send us your parts or your questions via the ticket system at solidcamsupport.com. And stay tuned for the rest of the videos on this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.